Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to back up your recovery fees in Coinbase wallet. In that case, you have to make sure to go to login into your Coinbase wallet account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And from the home page, you have to go ahead and click on the gear icon. While you're on this page, you need to go to security, and here right on top you have this option as backup. You go ahead and press on it, and under it you go ahead and press on the wallet or not backed up. Now enter in your secret fees or your passcode in order to get access to that following page. And make sure to go through all of these terms and conditions, and you could go ahead and click on the copy to clipboard button in order to know your secret fees. Likewise, to backup, you could go ahead and click on backup with Google Drive, or you could simply tap on backup manually, whichever is convenient for you. Select that, and it's going to take you to the other field where you can go ahead and just directly follow the prompt, and then you'll have successfully backed up as well as restored your Coinbase wallet seed phrase on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.